Welcome to WBP Studies. Today I'm very pleased to welcome you here in Bangkok, the house on Sathorn, the addition of the W Bangkok. Please come on in and walk through with me. The house on Sathorn features a colonial house built back in 1889. A lot of heritage, a lot of history is shared within these walls. On the right hand side, right when you walk in, we feature the bar. The bar is a concoction of cocktails, martinis and our feature old fashions. The perfect place to wind down after a long day of work or a pre-dinner drink before you head into our dining room, which is listed in the Asia's 50 best. Come on and walk through and have a look at these walls and all the paintings. The house, as discussed, has a lot of heritage. Firstly being a Chinese businessman, residence, then a hotel, and then finally, right up until 1999, the home of the Russian embassy here in Bangkok. After its closure in 2000, right up until 2012, the restoration process of the Department of Finance of Thailand has featured today what it is, the house on Sathorn. Let me please introduce you to the jewel of the house, the dining room. So here at the dining room we feature the cuisine of Chef Fatih Tutak, a modern Turkish-influenced menu, which has won the 36th spot on Asia's 50 best list this year. You find a modern heritage and a lot of history in here, which is blended with the menu we feature. A royal menu through the history and as well the origin and the cultural impact of Turkey and Asian cuisines, which Fatih has learned through his travels. In the dining room we feature only 36 seats, a very small amount of people because we focus just on dedication to the food, the cuisine and the experience through the tasting menu voyage. Big part of this experience over here is absorbing all of the cultural impact and as well the restoration and the history of the house in Sathorn here in Bangkok. We're very pleased to welcome you one day. Thank you.